I've been running the Care and Feeding of Analysts workshop for a few years now. It's for people who manage analytics teams and those who are hoping to become managers. It's very workshop-y rather than lecture. I have some slides to tee up some topics, but this is a deep dive into your story. What's going on with your team, with your boss, with your career. It is in a Chatham House rule environment. That means nothing can be shared outside the room. So it's safe. It's a private space. And we limit attendance to a smaller group. It's not a room full of people. So you do have time to talk about your situation. And others in the room share their insights as well. It's mutual mentorship. Care and Feeding of Analysts is a 3-hour workshop, June 19th in Las Vegas at the Marketing Analytics Summit, which is the June 19th through 22. This might just be the best way for you to get a leg up on managing your team. marketinganalyticssummit.com.